Easytrip Corporation is making it easier for motorists to get RFIDs for use at the NLEX, Cavitex, Esitex, HarborLink, Calax, tollways under the Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation. Easytrip has launched what it calls the Online RFID Reservation and Appointment System, or ORAS. ORAS can be accessed via easytrip.ph or using mobile phones to scan Easytrip QR code found in the NLEX, Cavitex, Calax FB pages, Twitter, Instagram, and website, and accomplishing easy-to-follow instructions. Initially by appointment only, RFID installation are being implemented at the following locations: Cavitex Paranaque Plaza Northbound, Cavitex Paranaque Plaza Southbound, C5 Southlink Westbound, Calax Greenfield Mamplasan, Shell Pamplona, Alabang Zapote Road, Las Pinas City, Shell Panapaan, Bacoor Cavite, in front of Puregold Bacoor, Shell Real 2, Aguinaldo Highway, Imus Cavite, near Maynilad, Welcome to Imus Arch, NLEX Drive and Dine, Canumay West, Valenzuela City. Easytrip also announced that RFID installation will continue beyond December 1 for infrequent tollway travelers.